Ang resulta ng kanilang laban ay naging punching bag lang ni Manny at nagdadalawang isip pa nga ang doktor na itigil ang laban. Ngunit matigas rin ang ulo ni Margarito at pati si Robert Garcia na trainer nito ay pinabayaan lang na makulata hanggang matapos. Biruin mo 148 pounds lang si Pacquiao sa gabi ng laban habang 168 pounds naman si Margarito dahil natural na middleweight fighter ito. Subalit naging easy win lang kay Pacquiao at talagang kalunos-lunos ang sinapit ng kanang mata ni Antonio at hanggang ngayon ay dala-dala pa rin niya ang pinsala.
The Athletic Commission had body, and Emmanuel Stewart.
I see the size. Yes, it does.
So he was Antonio Margarito staying in boxing with Manny Pacquiao and head down.
Well, watch it fight. This fight, as I see right here.
Margarito's jab is bothering Pacquiao. There, then moves away. Now his